Software Spring. Presents. How to use COUNTIF to check and count duplicates in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to use the COUNTIF function to check and count duplicate values with a real-world example. Before I continue, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for your support. Alright, let's begin with a quick intro to COUNTIF. COUNTIF counts values which fulfill the specified condition in a data range. Here is the syntax of the COUNTIF function formula. Let's look at an example. Range, which in this case is the entire column A, to which criterion should apply. Criterion is the condition. This function formula will return 1, as the value exists in only one cell. Moving forward, we will check and count whether multiple orders have been placed on this vendor code. That is, check and count duplicate entries. Let me type the vendor code. The formula to count duplicate values is: if there is more than one duplicate entry of this vendor code, as specified by this part of the formula, COUNTIF will return true, else it will return false. Okay, let me type the COUNTIF function formula. To select the entire A column, click on the column label, and type the remaining part of the formula. Press enter. There you go. COUNTIF has returned true, as there are duplicate entries of the vendor code. How many duplicate entries are in the range? The formula to get the actual number of duplicate entries is: I will type the formula. Press enter. Alright, COUNTIF has returned the number of duplicate entries. Now, let me check whether multiple orders have been placed on another vendor. I will type the vendor code and press enter. COUNTIF has returned false and 1, as there are no duplicate entries. Summary: COUNTIF assists to check or count if a range has duplicate entries based on the specified condition. The COUNTIF function formula to check for duplicate entries is: the COUNTIF function formula to count duplicate entries is. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.